What is going on, guys? It is Wingman Plus back with another installment of the Tinder Passport World Tour. In this video, we are swiping in one of the sexiest cities in the world, Berlin, Germany. You guys requested this video like crazy, and you know I'm not one to disappoint, so make sure you pound that like button, hit subscribe, and enjoy the video. I've heard some very strong reviews about Germany, so really getting excited to swipe here. And right off the bat, absolute baddie. What are we doing? Okay, and a super like I'm already not mad. Like, this is already off to a very, very strong start here. Big shout out to Germany, a place I've always wanted to go to but I've never visited. If you guys are from Germany, comment where in Germany you're from, because I would love to come visit you guys. Okay, Joanna looking pretty cute. I'm not really a cat person, but I could probably make an exception this time around, eh? Okay, Daria, starting in the profile off with the feet pics. Very strong start. Okay, we've got a little bit of banter here. Not sure what that says. Oh, cute dog. Yeah. Daria's got like the longest bio. There's a lot of red flags in her profile, to be honest, but I'm gonna swipe right just for that doggo there. Okay, and Sophie looking good too. Wow. Guys, Germany already just absolutely crushing it. I'm not mad at all about the quality thus far in this video. So as I was saying, Germany's a place that I absolutely love to visit. I've heard Oktoberfest is kind of the time to come to Germany. So I am kind of looking at this October and thinking, you know what? The world's opening up. We can fly around. They're finally letting us out of Canada. I might just fly out to Germany and visit you guys for a couple beers out there. So if you're in Germany, comment on the video. Let's connect. Let's grab a beer. Would love to fly out there and visit all you guys. Okay, we got another super like here. It looks like she speaks English too, which is always nice. Another cat. What is up with all these cats? Looking for someone to adopt a dog or cat. Okay, so she's trying to get rid of this cat. Well, I'm not gonna take that cat off her hands, but I'm down to handle some kitty, if you know what I mean. Nice kitty. We'll just throw that one at her and let her kind of digest on that line there. Kind of ambiguous, and I like to keep it that way. Okay, Sonia, coming to Berlin for a month to study. Okay, so it looks like Berlin is kind of one of those cities that everyone just kind of goes to and flies out to. Another super like, oh my goodness. Ladies, please, one at a time here. Holy. Big shout out, by the way, to everyone who's bought my new Ultimate Dating Profile Guide, the Matchbook. Oh, we got another match. Speaking of matchbooks, I've spent the last 7 years mastering dating apps. I've helped thousands of men around the world fix their profiles, get rid of the common mistakes. Oh shit. Like 80% of men are not getting matches on dating apps, but it's not because 80% of men are ugly. Like, that statistically makes no sense. It's because 80% of men, based on my experience, have pretty much no idea what they're doing when it comes to building a profile on dating apps. You know, a lot of the time we just throw up 7 random photos off of our camera roll and hope for the best. But girls are picky on dating apps. You got to go into it with a little bit more strategy than that. Avoid the common mistakes that make women swipe left, because they are looking for reasons to reject you, and replace those common mistakes with best practices. You know, the photos that just compel women to swipe right. And to make it easy for you guys, in my profile guide, the Matchbook, I've included over 50 sample bios, over 50 sample photos, over 20 sample prompts for Bumble and Hinge, and even an optimized profile template that's super easy to follow. So you're literally just set up for success. So if you guys are not getting enough matches, if you're not matching the quality and the caliber of women that you want to match with, click the link down in the description of this video. Get your copy of the Matchbook today. Hundreds of guys are already getting more matches with this Matchbook. Why not become one of them today? I've been getting so many glowing reviews from guys around the world saying that their dating game's never been better. So big shout out to everyone who's got the Matchbook so far, and big shout out to everyone who's planning on getting it after hearing that wonderfully placed organic ad in the middle of this video. Oh, Mia. Okay, Mia's looking pretty bad here. A lot of makeup going on, but we'll take her swimming. We'll have to figure it out. Ooh, okay, we got a match with Mia. Wanna go swimming? We'll see if she gets the joke here, because she's just wearing so much makeup. We got to know what's underneath there. Okay, Hannah. Only 3 picks. Kind of cocky, but we'll take that. Oh, nice dog. Oh, wow. Okay, this girl looks kind of freaky. She's got a link in her profile here. I don't know what that link leads to. You guys can do some due diligence on that one for me. I feel like it might be some clickbait. I'm not sure. Yeah, overall, guys, I must say, like, the caliber of girls here in Germany is very, very high. If you guys have been following along for a while, I've pretty much swiped in every country in the world at this point. And Germany, I gotta say, is probably like top 5 here. It's just, I feel like I say that in every video. Maybe just women around the world are just beautiful across the board. And I just have so much fun filming these videos. Nice mountain, by the way. Nice mountain. But yeah, Germany is treating your boy well here. But with all that, I think my favorite part of these videos is to go into the top picks, really see what the creme de la creme is looking like. So let's open up the top picks and see what we are working with here in Berlin, Germany. And right off the bat, Xenia, I don't even know how to say that name, looking super cute. We'll give her a right swipe. Probably not going to be a ton of left swipes in this section of the video, to be honest. Okay, Pamela. For 40 years old, Pamela looks better than I do. Pamela looks better than I did at 21, you know, like, good for her. Oh, I heart it kinky open relationship. Okay, there's a lot to unpack here with Pamela, but we're gonna give her a right swipe. We can get behind that in more ways than one. Okay, nice motorcycle, Paulina. Yep. Right on. Bonus points because she speaks English here. Okay, whoa. Looking a little chilly in there, if you know what I mean. If you catch my drift. Nice freckles. We'll give her a right swipe. Okay. Opener pick here with Sarah is just a straight up booty pick. No face, no case. Okay, another just chest pick. Okay, Sarah seems to like, you know, hiding the face, flaunting the body. I rate it. We'll give her a right swipe. Whoa, Nike getting some air. Call her Air Jordan with that snowboard trick there. Big right swipe. Okay, Jana. I love this candid photo of her drinking a glass of water. Okay, Merit standing in front of a giant. Look how big that escalator is. That's just like a never-ending escalator. Like, what is she in a mine? Like 30,000 feet under the ground with that escalator? What are we doing here? Okay, Laura, looking good. Looks like Laura did a photo shoot, if you will notice. Same outfit in every single photo. Looks like she just took all of her photos on the same day. So one thing to point out, guys, if you're wearing the same outfit on your Tinder profile, women do notice that. The last thing you want to do is make it look like you took a photo shoot for Tinder. So try to avoid doing what Laura did there. She's pretty cute though. We're still going to swipe right. And last up, we got V for the top picks. Looking good. Okay, there's a lot to unpack here. What is she, like a TikToker or something? Bringing out her inner Addison Rae. Scroll through the likes here for you too, guys. Let's see who's liking your boy. You know, what are we working with here? Looks like we've got a little bit of talent. A little bit of talent to scout. Okay. I'm not mad. I'm not mad at all. Okay, Ivana looking pretty cute. We'll give Ivana a right swipe. We'll give her a go. By the way, guys, if you are getting matches and you're not sure like how to open the conversation, sometimes you find that you like choke up once you get a match, you don't know what to say. Let me be your wingman, guys. I've got your back. In the description of this video, I put a link where you can get 25 pickup lines emailed to your email address there. So yeah, sign up for my email list in the description of this video. I will send you 25 pickup lines that actually work. So you never find yourself frozen again to start a conversation. Okay, Jasmine looking pretty cute. Love the glasses. All in all, guys, I've got to say, I am pretty satisfied with the German baddies here. I'm not going to lie. Like, they're looking pretty cute across the board. I'm also glad that I got a bunch of likes here. Bit of a confidence booster, not going to lie. We'll give a bunch of these girls a right swipe. But all in all, guys, Germany, I've got to give Germany a solid like 8.5 out of 10 as far as, you know, just straight up Tinder baddies here. If you guys have a city you want to see me swipe in the next video, make sure you drop a comment, drop your city down below, and I might just swipe in your city in the next video. All in all though, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got some enjoyment out of it, make sure you pound that like button, hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.